In this video, we're going to learn how to set text fonts. So we're going to use the same source code that we used for the div and span file. We're just going to get rid of the span elements in the Facebook div and keep only the Facebook word. Okay. So before we set the text font for these divs, we're just going to increase the font size to 100 pixels for all these divs. Well, we could have done that just by specifying a new style for all the div elements. But anyway, we have done it now. So in order to set the text fonts, we use the font family property. Okay. So first of all, there are several generic families. And under those generic families, we will find some specific font families. So let's start with the generic families. So we can set the font family to a generic family. So the first one we're gonna choose is the sans serif. So the sans serif means that the characters, they don't have those lines at the end of the letters, unlike the serif font family, which we will try on the Apple div. So now the Apple div has got those small lines at the end of the characters. Okay, so unlike the Facebook div, we don't have those lines. So that's sans serif and a serif, and sans means without. Okay. Another generic family is the monospace family, and basically in this generic family, all the characters, they have the same width. Okay, so now if we want to specify or set the font family to a specific font family, then we can do that. One way of doing it is, well, usually to do that, we are going to specify the specific, or set the font family to the specific font family we want. So for instance, Times New Roman. So I'm putting this between quotation marks because the name has got more than one word. And then this is going to be followed by another font family as a fallback. So if the first one doesn't work, we move to the next one, and then at the end we would use a generic font family. So the way it's going to work is we're going to try that one. So the web browser will try this one. If it doesn't work, we're going to move to the next one, and if it doesn't work, we're going to move to the font family that is the closest to the one we want in the generic family.